So today we wake up this morning. We're going to take our time to leave Death Valley to go to Yosemite. 4-hour drive. We're like, all right, should we do a hike? What should we do today? And I was like, let's probably just take off and get on the road and get to where we need to be. And I'm like, well, let's check out the directions again. Last night said 4.5 hours. This morning, 8 hours. There's a road closure in Yosemite, which has basically doubled our time. So now it's 8 o'clock in the morning, and we have an 8-hour drive instead of a 4-hour drive. And we're doing the flight of the bumblebee to get everything packed up and get everything hooked up so we can get out and on the road as quick as possible. It's going to be a long day again. God, I hope we don't forget something. Well, we got started. Made it a whole 30 feet down the road, and we have a lost cell phone. So we're hoping we didn't leave it on stairs or something like that because we took off in such a rush. But Katie's checking the bedroom really quick to see if she can find it. It's going to be one of those days. I think we're going to be coasting for a while. What's going on?
There's a bunch of jackasses on the side of the road. No, seriously. They're a wild dog right over there. I think burros? Can we call them burros?
Burros, probably.
We're trying to cross the road so we can get a little closer. Not too close, but...
Oh my goodness, there's a guy riding a bike up this hill.
There, that guy is hard freaking core.
Right over here, this would be the road that we came down. That was the 9% grade for so many miles. We started off at around 3,500 feet and ended up being at, I think, 1,500 feet.
We just stopped at Pinnacles and we figured we would stop and check out the Pinnacles because we heard they were really cool. And in the meantime, we figured we'd unhitch the trailer because it's like all dirt road. We don't want to risk the tire popping. So we just unhooked the trailer, ditched it at the welcome area. Well, welcome area, the sign, start of the road. And now we're gonna drive down the road and go check out the Pinnacles, come back, make some lunch, and keep going to Yosemite. There goes the alignment. Oh, DJ does not know what he's doing. He's sorry. You're not even in it. Like, you're a mess.
I think it's the
you said it like
drivers.
This. That's it.
Oh my God. You just pay attention to what the hell you're doing. 5 miles?
Of this?
Can't you find it like the smooth part?
I'm trying.
Oh, look at that. Big difference. What's that, babe?
I'm a little nervous. DJ said to me, as we pulled away after we unhooked the camper, he said, well, technically, I guess somebody could just hitch on up and take it if they wanted to. And I was, oh, there it is. And I was kind of worried because I was like...
So why are you still driving so fast then?
Because I can. But I was, oh, sorry, butterfly, fly, don't do it.
Now you're killing butterflies too.
But, you know, like, that's a thought. So in the future, we're going to be getting some things to keep people from stealing our house. Preventative stuff, you know?
Oh, do you see him run? Look, they're running!
Oh, go, go!
We scared the cow!
You ran so fast! We drove past and the cow was like, ah! And he was laying down, he got up and he was like, ah! And he jumped over this little creek. It was really funny. I was like, sorry. Gnarly stuff, huh? Yeah.
What do you think cows can talk? Do you think they were like, holy cow? And they ran away? What did they say?
No. He looked at his friends, he goes, oh no, you better move!
No, but like, what is it? We say holy cow. What do you think a cow says?
Holy hominin! Well, then what do you think?
I don't know. I don't know, but not a holy hominin.
It's so pretty! Whoa, you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for following us on our adventure. If you like what we do, subscribe to the channel, click the bell for notifications, give us a thumbs up, and of course, leave us a comment. Thanks for being a part of the journey, guys. See you next week.